Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Crisfield local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving involves a lot of movement from your current place to the new city or state. We have helped students, homeowners, military, veterans, and even businesses to shift to new places with all their belongings. For shifting long distance, it is best to choose professional movers and packers. In Crisfield, people vouch for 3 movers as their trusted mover service provider. With 3 movers, you can also save long driving hours because we also transport your vehicles, furniture, and other belongings. So, yes, hiring professional moving services also saves your money and time. Our team is highly professional. Thus, it never delays any assignment. We actively communicate throughout the process and inform you about everything you need to do a month, week, and day before moving. Are you planning to carry a DIY local moving? You can do it if you have a few or no boxes. However, if you have to move with your apartment, you will need professional help. 3 Movers is a licensed company that is an expert in local moving. Our team will pack your belongings and shift to the new apartment within a single day if the distance is short. You can also choose the full-service option wherein the team will also unpack and assemble the belongings to set up your new apartment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Crisfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.